Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss how you can build a crypto wallet app. The cryptocurrency market has grown remarkably well in popularity within recent years. Crypto investors have made huge profits on their investments, and it seems that this trend is going to stay for a very long time, regardless of its ups and downs. Therefore, it's the right time to invest in developing a crypto wallet for a wide or even a targeted consumer base. But the question is, how do you build a crypto wallet that users will love? Well, let's start with the basics first. Just like any other digital wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet helps users store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. It is a piece of software that safely stores cryptocurrencies and keeps track of their transactions. Users can download and install this wallet on their smartphone or any other compatible device. So now that you know what a crypto wallet is, let's look at the vital steps for learning how to build this technology. It goes without saying that you got to first explore the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Try and understand the history behind it, why it was created, how it can impact our global society and economy, and the other way around, its use cases, and the power of its technology. The next step is selecting the right technology stack on how to get it developed and implemented effectively. Knowing the appropriate tech stack will give your app the foundation it needs for success, so you can begin planning a product roadmap and its features for an MVP launch. For example, in case you want to build a web app, you can use Node.js, AngularJS, JavaScript, Solidity, Python, and more. You need to select the frameworks that help make it scalable. When building a native Android app, you can choose either Java, Kotlin, or React Native. Step 3, keep an eye on your top competitors. Well, you want your crypto wallet app to stand out in the crowd, right? Therefore, you need to know what the competition is doing, how they are doing it, and which technologies they have incorporated. Review what features they're using and how interactive their user interface and overall experience is. Don't forget to document your findings as well. Next, don't reinvent the wheel. Most cryptocurrency technologies are open source. Therefore, you don't have to reinvent the wheel here. You can use free libraries and tools that are already available, such as Bitcoin, SDK, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase SDK. This will help you save both time and money. Make sure that you select the right cloud platforms for your app. For a crypto wallet application, you must look for a BaaS, Blockchain as a Service, provider and integrate their cloud service into your app. BaaS products are offered by companies such as Amazon and Microsoft Azure. And finally, when you're all set to start implementing, make sure that you do the following. Decide on selecting the right type of technology vendor and development resources who know what they are doing and have the expertise in that specific area of blockchain and crypto projects. Decide on all the technologies and features that you would ideally like your app to have on a priority basis by using the Agile methodology. Set the expectation in your own mind and with your team that the requirements and priorities will most likely change and shift throughout the project journey. Keep in mind that this will most likely impact any due dates and timeframes that have been planned. Design and develop a simple and user-friendly interface. Follow top-level coding standards and procedures to implement a strong code base for future scalability, quality, and security. Plan, implement, and execute top-grade security by a third-party IT security vendor or engineer who can ensure the app has a very low chance of getting hacked for financial data and user breaches. Make sure to conduct extensive testing before the launch of your wallet. Beta launch and market the app to a targeted audience to gain initial feedback. Then continuously iterate and improve the application to increase your user base and subscriber community for potential long-term revenue. Feel free to get in touch with us here at Imagine Ovation to build a crypto wallet or blockchain application for your business or organization. We are an award-winning B2B web and mobile app development technology company with vast experience in building custom software and blockchain applications. Finally, if you like this video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel or visit our website blog to learn more. Stay tuned for more educational content. Thanks for watching.